So summing up the 2022 season is been another great achievement for myself and for the team. So it is definitely no mean feat to finish in the top 3 of the British Superbike Championship. The calibre of teams, bikes, riders is just absolutely unbelievable nowadays. So yeah, I think we need to hold our head high. Yes, it's been a tough year along the way. I think we just took a little bit too long to get going. We had a completely new dynamic of the bike from last year to this year, and to understand it just took me and the team a little bit more time. So it didn't really make a drastic difference, in all honesty. There was just a few areas that we were struggling with, and sort of still are in truth. But you know, it's been a pleasure and honour to ride along with Moto Rapido in Oxford Products. The team's done a phenomenal job. The whole team since 2018 is moulded themselves around what makes me fast, you know, makes me happy, and I can't thank them enough. You know, it's been absolutely honour, genuinely. So yeah, I think they are certainly going to be a force to be reckoned with in the future. And you know, I hope, you know, and hope and pray they have an amazing season. And yeah, obviously it's on the pastures new for me next year, but all will be revealed soon.
The season's been mega. I mean, to finish inside the top 3 at British Superbike is fantastic, and to be a small privateer team from Winchester is even better. It's, you know, beating some of the big guys. We've had some fantastic times with Tommy this season, with some great results, and the last Brands Hatch couple of races have been amazing. He obviously pulled out of the bag. As some of you will know, Tommy is leaving us after 4.5 amazing years. We've had some good laughs, some really great race wins and memorable moments for him and the team, and we really, you know, want to thank him for that, and hope him every success for the future.